Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Weebly Cloud website performance errors, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Weebly dashboard. Log in to your account using your credentials. Select the site you want to troubleshoot. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on SEO. Make sure to disable any unnecessary meta tags. Next, head over to the Pages tab. Review each page for any heavy content, such as large images or videos. Optimize images by compressing them before uploading. If you're using videos, consider linking to external platforms like YouTube. Return to the dashboard and click on Theme. Choose a mobile responsive theme if you haven't already. This will help improve loading speeds across devices. Next, click on the Apps section. Review your installed apps and remove any that are not essential. Too many apps can slow down your website performance. Now, return to Settings and select General. Check your site title and tagline for brevity and clarity. Long titles can impact your load time. Next, consider enabling the browser caching option. This allows returning visitors to load your site faster. After making these changes, preview your site. Use the View Site button to test the performance. Perform a speed test using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Analyze the results and make further adjustments if necessary. Finally, republish your site to ensure all changes take effect. Monitor your site's performance regularly for continued optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.